Well, welcome back. It has admittedly been a while since I have posted any full-length videos, and I thought I'd just take a moment, make a quick video to let you know what's been going on, why the hiatus, and when can you expect to see some other things again. Well, first, why haven't I been posting? Well, it's kind of been a multitude of reasons. One, the job kind of ramped back up and that has kept me busy. Two, the Imagination Woodshop is actually a business that I use to make money. So I focused a lot more this fall on making product and doing craft shows. And that took a lot of time away from actually making and posting products to make YouTube videos. I lost a hard drive, so I had about 6 months of footage of different projects that I'd been working on that totally just vanished. So that was pretty cool. And then finally, I gotta be honest, there's been a little bit of burnout. I kind of just needed a break. We moved into this house in January of 2021, and in that time where I was posting regularly in the 2.5 years, between two separate YouTube channels, I actually posted 116 different videos. If you're a regular YouTuber, this is probably not a huge number, but if you do this as a side hobby, 116 videos, it's a lot, and it's a lot of time. A 20-minute video for you is probably anywhere between 6 to 10 hours of editing work for me, in addition to actually filming the video itself. So having then said that, I just needed a time to step away, reevaluate things, and just see where the channel is going to be going. Should I be doing more shorts? Should I be shortening videos? Should I make them longer? What kind of projects should I be doing? All of that sort of stuff. But here's ultimately the plan. I hope to take the rest of December off just to kind of relax, make some Lego videos, kind of have some fun with that, and then really ramp back up on this channel come January. I have some cool ideas and some projects that are already in the works, so I hope to have some quality stuff coming your way for the 2024 year. But with that, I just felt I owed it to you, if you do tune into this channel, to let you know the Imagination Woodshop's not really going away. Like I said, I just had to kind of take a break and reevaluate and catch back up on life and get things going again. With that, I hope you have hung in there, and I hope to see you a lot more in 2024 for a lot of new fun stuff. And until then, I'll just say, I'll catch you on the next one.